Hey guys, hope you're ready for this week's assignment. I hope the water audit went well. Hopefully that sheet made it a lot easier. I didn't hear from too many of you with any questions about some of uh, the links. I had one student say one link wouldn't work. If that happens to you, please get with me so we can iron that out. Thank you. All right, so this week's assignment is going to be a 2-weeker. Should be fun. It's the Bridge Construction Challenge. I'm trying to give you guys something that you can really have some fun with at home. So it's got a real catchy original name, Bridge Construction Challenge. You're going to make a bridge out of whatever material you can find at home to see who can make the strongest possible bridge. However, as with everything in our class, there's going to be some criteria you have to meet. So we'll get to those in a second. But first, let's look at the learning target and then what's going to measure your success on this. I can describe the importance of using the least amount of material possible while maintaining strength in a structure. Okay, that's actually something that's used in daily life for anybody that's building something or making a product. They want to use as little material as possible without sacrificing quality. Less material, less cost. There's your economics in one sentence. Uh, to be successful at this project, you're going to have to create a bridge design that can hold at least 3 times its own weight. That sounds really tough, but it's not. We'll get into that here in a minute. The criteria that you're going to have to deal with here is that the bridge must be 24 inches or 2 feet long. Okay, so exactly 2 feet long. No more than 2 inches can be resting on the edges of the support while you are testing. So, for instance, right in this area, there will have to be 2 inches of the bridge will have to be on the part that's being supported on this side and that side. And I've put a little note right here. Okay. And then right here, the weight must be placed at the center of the bridge when testing. So even though my arrow is a little wonky there, make sure that you are putting your weight right on the middle. Also, I wouldn't put anything right here like this one has because you're not going to be able to put the weight down on it. I would put more of the structural components down here. I just use this as an example, which there's a note there for you. You don't have to make it out of popsicle sticks. I just use that to illustrate the rules. I've seen people make them out of spaghetti noodles, straws, and masking tape. It's whatever you want to use. The lightest, strongest material. And here's how we determine the strength, okay? Because if I didn't put this criteria on there, somebody could just slap a 2-foot 2x4 over and have their little brother stand on it. Obviously, that's going to be pretty strong. But to keep the playing field even, the strength of the bridge is going to be determined by the ratio of how much the bridge weighs versus how much weight the bridge can hold. And like I said, this is a common practice in industry. So here's an example. A bridge with a weight of 10 pounds that can hold a weight of 50 pounds will have a strength ratio of 5. That means the bridge can hold 5 times more weight than it actually weighs. So you only have to do 3 times. So if you can make a bridge that weighs 10 pounds that'll hold 30, you're good to go. And 10 pounds is kind of heavy. I mean, if you're going to be using popsicle sticks or spaghetti or whatever you can find around the house, that's probably going to be a lot less than 10 pounds. One thing to remember too is whatever unit you weigh it in, we got to use that exact same unit on how much it can weigh. So if you weigh something and you know how many pounds it is, but you need it in kilograms or grams, just make sure you convert. And if you have a question on that, you can email me and ask. So basically, to do this, you'll need to use the lightest, strongest materials, and then you can just research the methods you want. You can see which shapes are the strongest. There's nothing else on there, and just have fun with it. Like I said, this is going to be a 2-week deal, so we're going to use this coming Tuesday to have a Zoom meeting where I really want you to attend because I'd love to see pictures of your bridge. I'd love to see some some of the construction methods you're using. I want the other kiddos to see it too, and also just to kind of shoot the breeze because we're all bored too. Yeah. So Tuesday will be a Zoom, and then Thursday will also be another Zoom to see more progress and how it's going with you. So this is a 2-week assignment. We'll go And I'll send out email reminders and calendar invites for all this. We'll go Zoom meeting Tuesday, the 28th. Hang on. Yeah, Zoom meeting Tuesday, the 28th. Zoom meeting Thursday, the 30th. And then it'll be due. Oh, and then another Zoom meeting on May 5th. And then it'll be due on May 7th. So take your time. Don't work on the bridge all day to avoid your ELA, math, or whatever. Okay. Do this on the side. Have some fun with it. You don't have to wait until the Zoom meetings to send me pictures or to send me a video. Encourage your parents to have fun and work with you on this. I want this just to kind of be a fun activity. So that said, before I get off of here, make sure that you have submitted the water audit. Make sure you have submitted the Wind with Miller assignment, please. And then back to the first week, problems of the future. Okay, if you look here, I've got 11 turned in, 7 haven't. Okay, and this is in first hour. So just make sure you're getting stuff turned in. And if you have any questions, please email me and let me know. Okay, all right, so I'm getting ready to wrap this video up, post it to YouTube, get a link ready for you, and you will be ready to go on Classroom. And I will also send you a copy of this so you can have it to look at. And please hit me with questions, guys. I'm sitting here all day just waiting on my kiddos to ask me something so I can help them out. So I would love to hear from you. Email, or even we can set up a Zoom meeting, whatever you want. Anything to break up the boredom. Anyways, I'll catch you later.